Click on the link below to get price. The Honda EU2200i 2200W Portable Inverter Generator is a compact and efficient solution designed to provide reliable power in a variety of settings. A product from a well-established brand known for its commitment to quality and performance, the EU2200i stands out for its versatility and ease of use. Whether you need power for recreational activities, home backup, or job site applications, this generator aims to meet those needs with its thoughtful design and features. At its core, the EU2200i produces up to 2,200 watts of clean, stable electricity, making it suitable for sensitive electronic devices such as laptops, smartphones, and televisions. This inverter generator operates at a low noise level, typically around 48 decibels at a quarter load, which is comparable to the sound of a quiet conversation. This feature makes it an appealing option for camping trips, outdoor gatherings, or any environment where noise might be a concern. The Honda EU2200i comes equipped with advanced technology, including an eco-throttle system that adjusts engine speed according to the load, enhancing fuel efficiency and extending runtime. Users can expect up to 8.1 hours of operation on a single tank of gasoline, which is a notable advantage for those who need extended usage without frequent refueling. In terms of physical design, this generator is lightweight and compact, tipping the scales at just under 47 pounds, allowing for easy transport. It features a sturdy handle, making it convenient for moving from one location to another. Additionally, the EU2200i includes a built-in fuel shutoff feature, which conserves fuel by allowing the engine to run until the tank is empty. For those looking to expand their power capabilities, the Honda EU2200i is compatible with the optional companion and parallel cables, enabling users to connect it to another generator for increased wattage. This feature provides flexibility for various power needs, particularly when using appliances that require more wattage than the generator can supply alone. Ultimately, the Honda EU2200i 2200W Portable Inverter Generator is designed for those who seek a reliable and efficient power solution. Its blend of portability, quiet operation, and clean energy output makes it a practical choice for both casual users and those with more demanding power needs. Whether for outdoor adventures or as a backup power source, the EU2200i offers a well-rounded performance that many users have come to trust.